Tonight in 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to install vector database on your own local machine or cloud server. You can see on the screen a comparison between leading vector databases. If you are building an AI application that integrates with a language model, you will need to store and retrieve data in a vector format generated by the model. This allows you to perform semantic search throughout the data. First, let's connect to the machine. I'm going to connect to my machine. You need to pull the Qdrant database image by running the following command: docker pull Qdrant. That command is going to pull the image in your own local machine. Then we need to run the docker command where it's going to run the docker container and it's going to restart the container every time you boot your machine. So first I will move into the var directory where I'm going to store all my data in that directory. It's up to you to pick the directory you want to store the data in your machine. So the command is telling that I'm going to store all the data on the same directory under the directory Qdrant storage. Let's check if it's running or not. Our container is running now. So let's query the version of the container. Let's query the version of Qdrant database using the curl command. As you can see, the database version is 1.12 and it's up and running. By the way, if you can look at the command, there's your secret API key. That's the way you are securing your own database. You need to supply your own key. It's just a random text. You just put a random text, so every time you query your database, and no one else can connect directly to your database without the key. If anyone has the key, he will be able to connect it for sure. And if you are going to run that database on your own local cloud server, I think you should install Nginx as a reverse proxy and use Let's Encrypt to have TLS encryption. So the communication between your machine and the database is going to be secure. No one can see the key. Using HTTP only, the key will be could be compromised. So my advice for you, if you are going to run that database in a production, you should use an API key, strong one, and you should use Nginx reverse proxy and Let's Encrypt or any other certificate provider. That's all. Thank you.